Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Barclays app keeps getting stuck on loading screen, it is often caused by connection or data issues. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Barclays app and then swipe it away. Force close the app and then wait for a few seconds, reopen it. Now swipe down from your home screen and then turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off to reset your network connection. Next, head over to your app store, search for the app and make sure that your app is fully updated. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the loading screen still does not move, reinstall the app and log in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.